Hello, people. Before we plan our diet and workout routine, it is important for us to understand the diversity in our body. The main goal of a fit body is to achieve symmetry in the body. This requires distribution of workout routines throughout the muscle groups rather than the regular workout. Proper technique should be maintained, which will invariably result in good results. In this video, we will discuss about the group of major muscles which we are going to concentrate. Before we get to the video, please subscribe to our channel for all the information related to health. Click the bell icon to get instant notification. Let's go! The major muscle groups are shoulder, chest, biceps, triceps, abdominal muscles, lower body, back, and lat muscle. Shoulders. Shoulder muscle improves the aesthetic of the body for both men and women. The shoulder muscles are divided into front, back, and rear deltoids. There are separate workouts for each kind. All the three come hand in hand, and it is important to include at least two routines for each of the submuscle group. The usual routine is to start from front delts to middle delts, then to rear delt heads. Let us see few example workouts for each category. Front delt, overhead press and dumbbell upright row. Middle delt, seated dumbbell shoulder press and dumbbell lateral rise. Rear delt, Arnold press and bent over lateral rise. Second muscle group is chest muscle. There are so many good reasons to complete your weekly planned chest workout, as this muscle is the major muscle area of the body. And it will be used not only in gym but also outside the gym in various simple activities like opening a door. Chest exercise is one of the most important because it completes the symmetry of the body. There are three groups, namely upper, middle, and lower. To concentrate in upper chest, you can do inclined bench press and push-ups. For middle chest, flat bench press and chest fly. For lower chest, declined bench press and declined dumbbell press. Biceps. Biceps are the sexiest and the most appealing muscle group in the body. Showing off the biceps has been the important pose for almost all the heroes in the movies. There are various exercises like pull-ups and chin-ups which can target biceps without the use of expensive equipments. For women, flabby arms can be unhealthy and unattractive in certain scenarios, whereas in other hand, toned biceps can make you look fabulous and also increases your strength. Some major workouts for biceps are hammer curl, concentration curl, standing dumbbell curl. Triceps. Triceps are the three-headed muscle in the back of upper arms. The muscle helps to contribute to a strong and powerful toned upper body and can help a person to perform daily tasks with more ease. When triceps contract to maintain the angle of elbow, it helps to do efficient motor activities like writing. On the other cause, triceps get injured easily, so better train those triceps. Some major workouts are close grip barbell bench press, triceps push down with a rope attachment, overhead extension. Back and lat muscle. Back is the second hardest muscle group to train next to leg workouts. Because of its vast area, concentrating this muscle group is more difficult than others during your workout set. It is important to train your back muscles as most of us sit and work all the day and our shoulders tend to roll out to front, which can cause imbalance to our body in future. Same time, lat muscles are also important in major of the activities like lifting a carton box. Workouts for a strong back are seated row, lat pull down, standing resistance band reverse fly. Abdominal muscles. Who doesn't like flat abs? Almost everyone who wants to transform their physique, their ultimate goal would be reducing the tummy fat and converting it into a flat stomach. How do we say bye bye to our tummy fat? Maintaining flat abs takes so much of dedication which invariably results in the improvement of health. There would be no unwanted cholesterol intake and other unhealthy food intake happening. Also, it should be noted that rectus abdominis muscle does not indicate more muscle. It means less fat is covering those muscles. According to Harvard study, it is better to have flat stomach than six packs because the fat percentage in six packs is very less when compared to the required fat level. Lower body. The most underrated and ignored muscle group is the lower body, which includes legs, glutes, hamstring, and calves. Building strong muscles in the legs is very important as it takes our whole body weight and acts as the base for all the muscle group. Building legs avoids injury, burns more calories, and most importantly, it does not make one look like chicken in case the person is a professional bodybuilder. It helps to improve the core strength and boost more confidence during workouts like deadlift. Some of the important leg workouts are deadlift, lunges, hip thrusts, and leg press. Challenging yourself and concentrating on the muscle groups helps you achieve a good physique provided you follow a perfect diet based on your goal. To know more about diet for a healthy lifestyle, check out our other videos in the channel. You have now completely understood the muscle groups in our body. Hit the like button if you like our video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for instant notification. Also, visit our site watermellow.in